Now let's change the formation. As we can see, the V formation is forming. Again, each drone has its altitude. This is drone 7. This is drone 8. We can see this is drone 7 and this is drone Cairo. Here this is drone 8, drone Cairo. Sorry, this is drone 8, this is drone 8 and this is drone Cairo. And here are the drones following me. So this is drone Cairo. And as we can see, the formation is here. We can make drone, for example, 2 to follow drone 3. We will make it a leader, again sub leader, and we will follow it with drone 3. We'll make drone 4 follow drone Cairo. The small drones here are the proposed or the target locations of the drone. The big drone is the actual location. So we can zoom out. So here it is drone Cairo and is followed by drone 8 and drone 7. Drone 9, which is drone 9, which is drone 2 here, drone 9. Drone 9 is following drone 3, which is drone 7. Drone 4 is following Cairo drone. Here I removed the camera tracker, but the drones are very small in the sky. You can see them if I made them large like that. Here are they. It's being followed now by the drones in the sky. Here it is, and here it is. Let's break this drone. Oh, it already arrived to destination. So this is a V formation, and drone 4 will complete the V formation. So this is a V formation like that. If there is a fifth drone, it should be here, but drone 2 is not a child, is not a follower for drone Cairo, but it is a follower for drone 3, which is a sub leader. That's why it's following it, and the formation between them is thread mode. So there is a sub formation here, thread mode, and the big formation is the V mode. So drone 3 is part of the V formation, but it is the leader and making a sub formation which is a threat mode. We can see that in the simulator here. Here it is. Let us move the viewport. Here it is. The main drone and the V formation and the thread formation here. Can go to this drone. This drone is number 3 but ID 7. So we are looking for, here it is the 3, the ID 7. Here it is the drone that is following it, which is this drone. And we are going here to drone 8, which is drone 1, which is this one, the lonely one. Here it is. And this is drone Cairo, and this is the drone 7, and this is the one that is following it using thread mode. And this is the other side of the V drone. As we can see, the swarm mode in DroneEngage avoid collision by making each drone flying in a separate altitude. And this altitude is set here using this variable. Again, we can change these variables, and we can add more features regarding the spacing and collision avoidance, but the easiest way is to avoid by offset emitters and offsets in destination vertical and horizontal. So that's why you can see that there is height difference between each drone here. Let's not forget that we can still stream the video, so you can use it as output. Actually I'm using here as output for drone. Let me run it on DroneEngage camera. This. Here it is. So I can use it like that. So I can switch back here to drone 1. For example, this is drone Cairo. And enable back these things. Store the size back. And we can fly it here using joystick. We need first to press idle. Can change view from here. This is okay. So you can see here, it's number 1. I made it like that. I'm streaming this view only, so we can fly it like that. So again, this simulator is not part of DroneEngage. It is not. It is just a standalone simulator that you can use. It happens that I'm controlling drones from DroneEngage because this is what DroneEngage is made for. It can control multiple drones. It can control SWAL, and that's why I'm controlling them from DroneEngage. The other thing that I can stream from it, and DroneEngage can make use of this streaming feature, can use it in tracking, for example. But the main thing here, the main topic about this video is to show you the capability of this simulator. It's open source as usual. It is easy to use. Here it is. Here it is. So please feel free to download and test it and try it and upgrade it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.